Hello everyone and welcome to the video solution of the class activity Netflix Lookup. So what we want to do for this activity is find the info to some of Netflix's most popular videos. The instructions are to prompt the user for what video they're looking for, search through the Netflix rating CSV to find the user's video, and then if the CSV contains the user's video, then print out the title, what it is rated, and the current user ratings. For example, Popstar is rated G with a rating of 82. As a bonus, if the user enters a video that is not contained in the CSV, then we alert them to that. So for example, sorry about this, we don't seem to have what you're looking for. So let's take a quick look at the CSV. We got our columns title, rating, rating level, rating description, release year, user rating score, and user rating size. So what we want is title, rating, user rating size. Okay, so let's go ahead and create our Python file. The first thing we want to do is import the modules that we need. So really the only one we need here is import CSV, so we can read through the CSV. Next, I'm going to prompt the user for a video lookup. So it's just a simple input, what show or movie are you looking for? Next, I'm going to set the file path for the CSV. Okay, so it's just a simple folder file path. Remember, Netflix ratings is in resources, so you want to make sure you specify that folder. And I'm going to just do the bonus alongside the regular solution. So next I'm going to set a variable to check if we found the video. So initially we're just going to set it equal to false, so then if we do find the video, we'll change the value of that variable. Next, I'm going to open up the CSV and read it in. Alright, here we're just taking the CSV path, which is resources, Netflix ratings, CSV. We're making sure that the new line is just an empty space, and we're opening it as a CSV file. Then we take the reader, which we can use because we imported CSV earlier, and we read in the CSV file, and we say that the delimiter is a comma, so that it knows that each column is separated by a comma, and we store that into CSV reader. Next, I'm going to loop through looking for the video. Alright, so what we're doing here is we're looking through each row in the CSV, and we're checking to see if the very first value of that row is the video that we're searching for. We look at that, and if it is the same, then we print out the title, the rating, the like PG-13 or etc., and the rating, as in the user rating of the movie. And then we set the found variable equal to true to confirm that we have indeed found the video. Next, I'm going to say if the video is never found, we want to alert the user. So that's it. So remember, this conditional will only run if the titles match to the input, right? And that's the only time found will become true. So if we don't have it, found will stay false, and we'll print out that we don't have what they're looking for. Let's go ahead and save that and open up Terminal. I'm going to run it. So what movie am I looking for? I know White Chicks is the very first one on the list. So let's put in White Chicks. White Chicks is rated PG-13 with a rating of 80. Let's run it again. Let's see. A more recent movie that I know on that. Black Panther is definitely not going to be on there. So sorry about that. We don't seem to have what you're looking for. And that is the video solution to Netflix Lookup.